If you have very ripe banana in your fridge and you're wondering what to do with it, you're going to find out a yummy recipe you can make with your ripe banana in this video. Add in 100 grams of butter and sugar respectively into a bowl. Mix them together. Add in your ripe banana. So you can decide to mash your banana with your fork, but I added mine directly into the bowl because they were very soft and it was easy to get them incorporated in my butter. These are the kind of banana you will say, let me toss them into the trash, but no, you can use them to make something very delicious for you and your family to enjoy. Add in 2 medium-sized eggs, mix it all together. Go on now to add in your remaining ingredients. If this is your first time or stopping by my channel, well, you're so welcome. And if you've been here before, good to have you here once again. And if you haven't subscribed to Debbie's Kitchen, go on and subscribe. Click on the notification bell to like and share. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Add all your dry ingredients like so. You can see the ingredients on the screen, your flour, your unsweetened cocoa powder, and your baking powder. Sieve them into your flour to make sure that there are no lumps. Then mix your batter together, and that is all. Your banana bread or banana cake or whatever you want to call it is 80% done. At this stage, we're going to add in whatever flavor of your choice. I'm using vanilla essence. You can decide to use chocolates. You can decide to use banana flavor, whatever flavor you like to use, just do you. Add in chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. I use chocolate chunks. It is actually optional. Go on now to add it into your already greased pan. You can grease your pan with melted butter or with olive oil or with vegetable oil and sprinkle a little bit of flour so that after baking your banana bread will slide out easily without stress. If you are watching up to this point and you haven't thumbs up this video, do thumbs up this video and comment. Tell me what you think about this recipe. Are you going to be trying it out? If you would, comment in the comment section. I'm going to go now to add in more chocolate chunks or chocolate bits onto the banana batter. We're baking this at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until when you dip your toothpick in, it comes out clean. And this is what we got at the end of the day. One thing I love about this recipe is not just how yummy it looks, it's how moist it turns out. You can have this for any time. If you have ripe banana, you can make lots of this and keep it in the fridge. And you know what that means? You have something to do with your very ripe banana, so you will no longer put them to waste. Put them to good use. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. See you in my next one. God bless you.